One of my hit go-to recipes using normal desi kitchen ingredients is Khow Suey. So I've got 3 onions, 3 Kashmiri red chilies, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, 1.5 teaspoon or 1 inch of haldi, half kg chicken, coconut milk and noodles. Let's get started. You also need some fresh adrak or ginger garlic paste and dhania powder. So just put all your dry ingredients in a blender and mix it all up to get this beautiful rich paste. In a wok, I've got some fresh sesame oil. You can use normal regular refined oil as well. And all we're going to do is bhuno this masala with a lot of patience for about 15 minutes on a slow flame. You want the oil to separate from the masala and just be really patient with it. But remember, you have to keep stirring this throughout. Do not let it burn. I forgot to add the ginger garlic earlier, so putting that in and also putting in some salt. So that's where we're at after 15 minutes. Now you add in your washed boneless chicken pieces and just coat them really nicely with the masala. We're going to let this cook till the chicken is half done. Okay, now the chicken is halfway done and we're going to add in some water. Remember that Khow Suey is actually a Burmese soup. So you want it to be like a thin gravy, but you don't want it to be very runny either. Let's get started on the toppings. I'm just going to fry off some chopped garlic and chopped onions. If you have mushrooms, you can fry those off. Remember to watch your garlic carefully because it goes from beautiful golden to burnt in a jiffy. So this looks good. I'm just going to drain it onto a tissue. Meanwhile, our soup is bubbling away. It looks good. The chicken is cooked now. So we're going to add in about 150 ml of coconut water. And then you can adjust it as per your taste. If you like more of the coconut flavor, you can add in a bit more. There's no hard and fast when it comes to cooking this. Let this simmer for another 10 minutes and meanwhile boil your packet of noodles as per the instructions, and that's it. Let's assemble. Serve the noodles and the soup separately. People can assemble them in their own individual bowls and add toppings whatever they like lemons, fried garlic, roasted crushed peanuts, fried onions, fried mushrooms, spring onions, whatever they like. And it's also something you can easily make at home with the ingredients you might already have during this quarantine. This is my version and it's a big hit with my family. Try it out and tell me how it went with yours.